Hey guys, what's up? It's Solomon. Welcome to our Python for Beginners series. For this video, you're just starting out with Python programming language and are like wondering where do I begin with in programming. Hopefully, this series of videos will benefit you, and also for those of you coming from a different programming language. Uh, like Java, Fortran, and so on. Just follow along with these tutorials, and by the end of it, you get a basis of coding with Python. So basically, in this series of videos, that will be we're going to be going over various topics in Python. For those of you coming from a different programming language, you would have come across such topics, and thereby making it very easy for you to learn and understand. And also, those of you who are just starting out with Python, there's nothing to actually worry about. Python is one of the best programming language out there, and also it's very easy to learn and understand, which makes it an added bonus. So first things first, let's get into the series, shall we? In this video, we are just going to be going over the installation of Python, and in the next video, we are going to be looking at something entirely different. So like any other application, Python is pretty simple to install. All you have to do is just to open your web browser. I already have this page open already, and go to this website www.python.org. When you get it, just scroll and hit these downloads, and the latest version, as you can see, the latest version we have on Python is Python 3.7.3. So for you to download, just go down and look for release version. If you want to go for something a little bit earlier, there are other versions you can actually pick. You can actually go for Python 2.7 if you want, and so on and so on and so on. But for this video, we're going to be using Python 3.7.3. So click on downloads and scroll down, and at least we have a version for Mac and for Windows. And if you're using a Mac, you have to be careful. Okay, you can use any of these if you're using a 64-bit machine, and if you're using a 32-bit system, you can actually go for this. And if you're using Windows, you just pick the appropriate version for your computer. Okay, I already downloaded it, so there's no need for you to watch me do that for the second time. So yes, here's the file. So let's go ahead and start the installation of Python. So there's one thing you should note on this first page. You need to tick this add Python 3.7 to path. At least this will allow you to call Python from the command prompt without having to go through folders and so just hit on install, and this will install on your system. It shouldn't take long. It should take about usually 30 seconds to a minute of installation. While that is being run, I want to explain the other button we just ticked, add Python to paths. Okay, just come to your system properties and go to advanced setting and system settings, and once you get it, just hit on environment variables. You can see we have variable and value, we have path. So you can actually see I have other version of Python actually installed if you have to check it. Yeah, I have other version. I have version, Python 2.7, 3.6, and the one I'm currently installing 3.7. You can see that they are all here. This is 2.7, this 3.6, and this is the 3.7. So with this setup, I can actually call Python from the command prompt. So I had to show you how to do it manually in case you forgot to add it while the installation is being run, and you come to the command prompt, you are unable to call Python. At least you can actually know how to do it. Just go to your environment variable. It's pretty simple, and copy the path of the location of Python in your system, and just paste it here and hit OK. And so as you have added it to your system, so the installation is still running. I don't know why it's taking this much of a time. Usually it takes about 30 seconds to a minute. Maybe this version is something different, so let's just give it a few seconds and we should be done with Python. And yes, I already explained that you can actually go for a more earlier version of Python. If you're looking for stability of Python, you can actually go for Python 2.7 if you're looking for stability in Python. And but there's no need for you to go, backwards. I mean, 2.7 is like 2016, so you can actually use this will give you much, and yeah, this thing to give you the same thing. 2.7 will give you much more. So the installation is done. So let's check. Okay, here's it. We can actually see Python 3.7 is installed correctly. We have 4 files, so let's go and check if it actually works. Go to run and type in cmd. But you can go to run by just holding Windows and R and type in cmd, and that's it. And just type in your Python version. You can actually see the version will actually choose Python 3.7.3. So now that attests to the fact that Python is installed on your Windows. So type in Python and to see if it actually works. Print hello world. So you can actually see that Python works. So congratulations, you have just successfully installed Python in your system. So you can close it by typing exit, and it will close the Python interpreter. So that's that, you have installed Python correctly on your Windows. So thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we're going to be looking at text editors and IDE applications. So on installing Python, Python actually comes with its own idle application, which you can use in you can actually use without going to command prompt, and you can, everything you do there you can still do it. Yeah, you just have to create a new file, you save it, and so on. You can give it any name, hello.py. You can run your program, you can write your program, and you can actually run it. So yes, y equals 21, print y. So sorry, so you can actually see it gives us, it actually runs. But this is not not a standard way of coding. You can actually use this if you are, maybe you're just want to just play along with Python. But if you're thinking of writing bigger code, you are going to need IDE applications and or text editors. So in the next video, that's what we are going to be looking at. So thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to leave a like button and subscribe to this channel. And if you have any questions, you can drop them on the comment section below, and I'll do so to answer your questions. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye.